Hey guys, today we're going to talk about the distributive property. I want you to try out this word problem first. Mrs. Jones is shopping for her twin's birthday. She can spend any amount of money, but she has to buy exactly the same thing for each of them. The first gift is $10, the second gift is $25, and the last gift is $40. Find the total cost of her purchase. So please pause the video and try out this problem. I'm really hoping you paused it, because if you didn't, you've lost my trust. So there are actually two different ways to solve this. One, you can go ahead and just multiply everything by 2. And then whatever those equal to, you can just add them all up. So you would have had 20 plus 50 plus 80, and then add all these boys up, and you would have gotten 150 buckaroonies. The other way you could have solved it is you could have added all of the gift prices together first, and then multiplied that whole thing, come on bro, by 2. So order of operations, you would have done the inside first, and then multiplied that by 2 to also get $150. So these two numerical expressions in the beginning are actually equal to one another. So you could just add them all up and then multiply by 2, or you could just take this 2 and distribute it to everything on the inside. So this is a perfect example of the distributive property. Distributive property in action. You have parentheses, a number on the outside. You can take that number and multiply it by everything on the inside. So if we look at our first example here, I have 4 times the quantity of x plus 7. I can take 4 and just multiply it to everything inside the parentheses. So I would have 4 times x plus 4 times 7. So 4 times x plus 4 times 7, which is 28. 4x plus 28 is my answer. Same deal for this guy. The big thing here is I have a minus sign here. What might be helpful is just do LCO in the beginning. Change that to a plus and then a negative 3. Distribute the 7. So I would have 7x plus 7 times negative 3 is negative 21. One more together. I have negative 2 times the quantity of x plus 4. I'm still going ahead and multiplying negative 2 by each of these terms. So I have negative 2 times x plus negative 2 times 4, which is equal to negative 8. Go ahead and try these 3 down here and see what you get. So pause the video. Pause it. Pause the video. Alright, so looking at this first one, again, I'm seeing minus 4. I'm going to go ahead and switch that using LCO. So then when I distribute my negative 4, I have negative 4 times A plus negative 4 times negative 4, which is equal to positive 16. So after I distribute, I have negative 4a plus 16. All that noise in the background is my cat. I'm sorry. I don't know how to handle him sometimes. So just ignore all those noises. And this one, again, I'm going to do LCO. Distribute the 5. I'd have 5 times negative 2 plus 5 times negative x, leaving me with negative 10 plus negative 5x. And then in the last one, LCO one more time, distribute that negative 2. I get negative 2x plus negative 2 times negative 1, which is equal to positive 2. Of course, we can always do these with fractions and decimals. Looking at this first one, I'm going to go ahead and distribute my 1/4. Nothing is changing. I'm taking 1/4, multiplying it by x, adding it to 1/4 times 8. If you can't do 1/4 times 8 in your head, it's okay. You are allowed to use a calculator. Plug in the calculator, you get 1/4 times 8 is equal to 2. There's my simplified expression. This guy here looks like a good one. I'm going to distribute a negative 2/3 to both of my terms. So I have negative 2/3 times 9x plus negative 2/3 times positive 2. Again, if you don't know how to multiply these in your head, it's okay. You're allowed to use a calculator. Negative 2/3 times 9 is equal to negative 6x plus negative 2/3 times 2, or negative 4/3. Yes, you could have also had negative 1 1/3, but I like to keep things improper. Down here, we got our decimal life going. I'm going to go ahead and take 1.3 and again multiply it by the first and second term. 1.3x plus 1.3 times 4. 1.3x plus, doing it quickly in my head, 5.2. Deck of cards, I should have known that. And then this last one together. Again, LCO first. Taking the negative 2.1 and distribute to the first and second term. I have negative 2.1x plus negative 2.1 times negative 10. First term stays the same. Negative 2.1 times negative 10 is equal to positive 21. On the next page, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 problems for you. I want you to try these bros out. I will be checking it the next time I see you in class, so make sure you get it done. If you have any questions, send me an email. Okay, bye.